Welcome to my channel, friends. Today we're diving into the art of purse organization using budget-friendly finds from the Dollar Tree. Let's transform our everyday essentials into a perfectly organized haven. Hi everyone, it's Mimi Homestyle here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn your purse into an organized masterpiece using items that I found from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. First, let's take everything out. It's a bit of a mess now, but that's okay. We're going to sort through it all and find a place for each item. I find it best to categorize what's going in each pouch. Using pouches, bags, and plastic and mini containers from the Dollar Tree back to school section and makeup aisle keeps similar items together. I love that I can find a nice color and stick with that throughout my bag. But another idea is to use different colors for different categories so you can grab them when you open the bag. First, let's tackle the makeup bag. I got this adorable bag from the Dollar Tree makeup aisle. And here's what I'm putting inside: hand lotion, a cute purple mirror, some face wipes, Kleenex, an adorable lip gloss, and an eyeglass retaining chain. To make it even easier to find, I added a mini key tag to the zipper and I labeled it. Now we're ready to pack this. Next up is my pencil case. This case from the school supply section holds all my pens, pencils, highlighters, and a Sharpie. It's perfect for keeping everything in one place. I also added a mini key tag and labeled it for easy access. For my first aid bag, I'm using another Dollar Tree find. Inside I have Neosporin, a mini travel first aid kit that I found in the travel section at Target, some aspirin, lip balm with SPF, and some sunscreen. This kit is a lifesaver. I also added a mini key tag to the zipper and labeled it as well. I also found a cute lip balm holder with the sun on it for the summer. This extra essentials bag is a must-have. I also added Clorox wipes, a measuring tape, some scissors, a mini eyeglass repair kit, a reusable hand towel for those times when there's no paper towel in the bathrooms and you hate those hand dryers. I added key tags and labeled all the bags, including this. Now for my mini crossbody purse. It's perfect for quick trips and includes a hand towel, a battery charger, a mini fan, Kleenex. I also add some extra cash, some aspirin, lip balm, a mini notepad, credit cards, my license, health cards, club cards, and I add a pen and a highlighter. Plus, I carry alcohol wipes in a tiny change purse for cleaning my phone and eyeglasses. I have a crossbody strap for my iPhone so I can take pics without taking it out of my purse constantly. I also take Clorox wipes for shopping carts and dirty tables. Then I added a hand sanitizer as well for easy access on the outside of my purse. In my tote bag, I have a reusable shopping bag for impromptu trips, a water bottle with a wrap-around pouch that holds a mini fan, and a portable battery charger. I also include toilet seat covers and soap sheets. I also added a notebook and a planner so that I can make lists of things I need when I'm out shopping and keep track of important dates. And I filled a cute spray bottle with my favorite antibacterial spray. I also keep a snack bag in the car, perfect for those on-the-go moments. It's all about being prepared. It also has my coffee essentials in case I need cream or sugar or a spoon. And I even have a foldable, reusable straw. I needed a place to put all my loyalty cards, business cards, and coupons. So I bought this mini accordion file that does the trick. And there you have it. It's time to pack this up. So let's go. Everything has its place, and I can easily find what I need. I can grab these bags on the way out, and I'm all set. Thanks for joining me on this organization journey. I hope you found these ideas helpful, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay organized and see you next time. Thank you for watching today's Mimi Homestyle video. We hope you had a great time and found some inspiration for your next celebration. If you want to stay updated, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of our videos on YouTube. Check out our website at mimihomestyle.com and our printables at Grin and Print on Etsy. I can't wait to see you next time for more fun ideas.